I came to Butler to be in the culinary program, honestly, because I couldn't make mashed potatoes and gravy. That's why I joined the culinary program at Butler, and now I can make that. There was a Kansas City Chiefs game that was not last year, but it was the year where if they won, they were going to playoffs. And so my husband and his brother, they were like, we have to go. They haven't been in like 50 years. We have to go. So I decided, well, I'm just going to make some sugar cookies for you to take. So I made some cookies and they were hideous. I mean, awful cookies. And they took them to the game and they shared them with some other tailgaters and they were all like, oh, these are the best cookies. Well, I had 2 dozen extra. So I put them on Facebook Marketplace. And with that one post, those terrible cookies, I got baby showers and birthday parties and people like, hey, I want to buy cookies from you. And I'm like, wait, I can't even do this. What are you talking about? I ended up taking the orders because I was like, why not? And so the platter with Mahomes was actually an anniversary gift to myself as like this is what you've become in the last 2 years. That post went viral and it went to 18.9K views. I sent cookies to 9 different states in 4 days, and not to mention all the local cookies here. I went from these awful cookies to a little bit better last year to the platter this year that went viral. The name 3 a.m. cookies came from me and this terrible habit of eating cookies and milk at 3 a.m. every night. That's where the name came from. But now when I take on cookie orders, I'm usually up still decorating at 3 a.m. That's my bedtime. Well, Butler's taught me a lot with, I've taken, menu development and I did all the culinary classes, but all the other classes that come in the culinary program have helped me a lot with, just because it's a bakery, they've taught me how to manage like my profit and loss so that I can figure that out. Just the support, honestly, like all of my teachers are like, this is awesome. Because of Butler, I have the confidence to be who I am. Like I said, went to school to learn how to make mashed potatoes, and all the way, literally through every class, no matter what I've ever been in, they have given me confidence to do things that I had never expected to do. They've definitely encouraged me in a way that I've never been encouraged, to be better and to do better and to try harder.